guys, welcome back. And to all things fall, we are celebrating autumn, fall, county fairs, fall festivals, and all those wonderful fun things that you look forward to each and every year to do with your family, right? Well, one of the things that my kids love, absolutely love, at the county fairs and the fall festivals are the homemade corn dogs. And so we're going to bring those to you and show you how easy it is to make those right in your own kitchen. All right, so we've got our oil actually prepped right here. And so we're going to make our batter. And it's so easy, you guys. Truly, it is so easy. We have our flour and our cornmeal, and this is a fine ground cornmeal. And we're just going to whisk that together in the bowl. All right, into that is going to go our baking powder, our salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of coconut sugar. And don't worry, guys, the amounts will be in the description box below. So if you're like me, you might need to, sometimes I watch videos, you guys, and I'll miss a little something, so I'll back it up, and I'll watch it again, and I'll back it up, and I'll watch it again. I love that. It's quite an age we live in, isn't it? When if you didn't catch it the first time, that's okay. Just back it up and watch it again. All right, now into that is going to go our egg and our milk. And we need to beat our egg just a little bit, which we're going to do with a fork. All right, so in goes our milk and our beaten egg. And we're just going to bring that together until it's lump free. Once you get it to this place, you guys, let me show you how to make this easy on yourself. Get like a water glass. You need kind of a tall one to handle the batter. And then put this, don't fill it all the way to the top or else it's going to come out on you. Okay? Then, your hot dogs on skewers and dip it right straight down in there. And the reason that you want that height of a glass is so that when you dip it down, your batter comes up over the end of the hot dog, right? See that? There we go. And now, into the oil it goes. Okay, guys, we're going to continue to cycle these corn dogs through and get them all done, but I'm half starved, so before everybody gets here, I'm going to have a little pre-dinner nibble. And now, at this point, you got to do whatever is your favorite on your corn dog, but I'm going to stick with the classic. A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard. Oh my goodness sakes. Wow. You guys, if that doesn't bring back childhood memories, I don't know what does. That is so good. Wow, that's good. The kids are going to love these. Oh my goodness, you guys. Give this a try. And when you do, leave me a comment. Let me know how it worked out for you. So excited to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do that so that you can see deep fried pickles that are coming your way and our other fun fall and fall festival ideas that we're bringing to you. And we will see you next time on Things Tina Does.